seen them act like ninjas. You've seen them fight random pieces of metal, large styrofoams, thistle bushes, and pylons. Lots of pylons. You've even seen them throw stuff in lakes, but you've never seen them go camping.
Hello? Eric? Yeah? What? Why? Okay. Can we, like, talk to him about it or anything? Okay. Who was that? That was Eric. Can't go camping with us. What? Why not? Because his parents are, like, being retarded and doing that whole overprotective, oh, I'm just going to die type thing. But I thought he could have said that, yeah. I know. So that makes it really dumb. I mean, you know, we made the reservation and everything, and then his parents did say yes before, and now they're saying no. They don't really have the right to do that. No. We said this before, right? And then we paid for it, and they said no. Yeah, and they won't even let us, you know, like, go over to his house and talk to him about it, and try to, you know, get him to let him go. They won't do that. So, yeah. I think this is the first down of people who they had something to do with this. They knew we were going camping, and they wanted us, yeah, they wanted us to be miserable. So we'll have to call in a new type of recruitment from the corner store. We'll call in that.